Good morning, everyone. Day 8 of my English learning, and welcome to Indiscipline Girl channel. And I am Nibha, and today is my topic is uh, pollution. I'm going to deliver a speech about pollution. Today's generation in modern world, pollution is very important and biggest problem in this. All we know that pollution create and make our health problems, and because of this world faces lot of problems. pollution Pollution has many types: water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Because of pollution, global warming increases day by day, and our temperature increases too. I'm going to talk about first air pollution. Air pollution polluted by smoke, industry smoke, and petrol burning, and anything created. Chemicals burn, and this is main factor by industry created many chemicals and use in our factories, and smoke released openly. That because of that, pollution easily dissolve in our air, and when we breathe, and this causes like asthma. And secondly, I'm going to talk about land pollution. Land is waste materials and chemical materials and plastic. This is creates land pollution. And third, noise pollution. Noise pollution, loud speakers, traffic, and machines noise. This all of these creates noise pollution, and this is not good for our health and peace. Fourth is water pollution. When factories release wastes and chemicals directly in the waters, rivers, and lakes, and this creates very effect pollution and make our waters polluted and unclean. This is not good for our health and anything around this water. And all we are responsible for this pollution, because all we are surrounded by this environment, and all of are responsible for this pollution, because we uses these plastics and garbage and making our environment unclean. And because of this pollution, every day creates more and more huge amount of danger. And when we not focus on that thing, pollution, we are going to face very big damages nowadays. And we have to take a responsibility to make our environment clean, make our environment plastic free, and make our environment pollution free. When we take simple step from our houses to clean and make our environment clean, then our dangerous situation goes slowly improvement. And we have to do something that pollution is become low. And firstly, we have to implement our life. First, plant more trees and use plastic bags repeatedly. And third, we have to control plastic bags less and less, and we have to use less and less plastic bags. That creates small effects, make our big improvement in pollution. Fourthly, we have to make our environment clean. Take a simple step to clean our environment, and this step make a huge important role to decrease the pollution. And if you want to save your earth, if you want to make your life healthy, please clean your environment, and please use less and less plastics bags and plastic things. And if you save the earth, you save your health. Thank you so much. If you want to learn English and try to improve your English, please connect with me and let's learn English together. Thank you so much.